16. The relationship between two variables x and y is linear. So that means if we graph x and y coordinates, we're going to get a straight line of some variety. No curving. No curving. No capes. So the relationship between two variables x and y is linear. For every increase in the value of x by 1, the value of y increases by 8. When the value of x is 2, the value of y is 18. Which equation represents this relationship? When we're talking about an increase in the value of x, that is a change in x. The value of y increasing by 8, that's a change in y. The definition, or the equation for slope, is change in y, go on stylus, divided by change in x. And here they're giving us those values. We don't have to calculate them. Sometimes we have to calculate them. We have to take our, like if we're given, two ordered pairs, x and y values, and then we're like, okay, we're going to take, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That formula may look familiar to you. That's a very common thing we have to do, or we have to look at a graph and we have to count out, so if we have a line, we go like, okay, it goes up this many, it runs that many. They've done all that for us. Well, they're telling us right here that the x value is increasing by 1. That number is going up by 1. So if we're looking at it on, the xy graph, it's going this way by 1. And every time that happens, the y is going up, increasing by 8. So the change in x, the one on the bottom, is a positive 1. It's increasing value by 1. And on top, the change in y is a positive 8. Okay, so this is 8 over 1, or just 8. My slope is 8. Now, if I look at my answers over here, all of these are in slope-intercept form. That is, y equals mx plus b, where m and b are numbers, or constants. That m value right there, that is always going to be my slope, and my b is always going to be, write it up here because I'm running out of room, my y-intercept. Y-intercept. So the m, the coefficient of the x, is the slope. Well, look at my answers. So here I have one with a slope of 2, slope of 2, slope of 8, slope of 3. There is only one line here that has a slope of 8, which is what I need. So that's enough right there for me to say C is my answer. But it never hurts to be sure, and they've given us a way to be sure. It says when the value of x is 2, the value of y is 18. So I can plug in a 2 for x and see if I get 18 for y. So 8 times x, 8 times 2 plus 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 2, why, that would be 18. That checks out. I've confirmed it. C is my answer. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.